The DSX1000 digital microscope from Olympus is the ideal inspection tool for material science, manufacturing, and industrial applications. From inspecting automotive parts to electronics and metal fabrication, this flexible tool combines outstanding optical quality with ease of use. With its free angle observation system, Olympus's DSX1000 digital microscope allows you to see your sample in many angles. The rotating observation head enables 90-degree movement in either direction. The stage also rotates 180 degrees, so hard-to-spot defects are easier to find. The wide range of objective lenses lets you see the whole picture, while quick change lenses mean you can change magnifications in seconds rather than minutes. Olympus offers both long working distance lenses and high-performance objective lenses, allowing you flexibility across all your applications. Using only 3 lenses, achieve magnifications ranging from 20x to 7000x. With 17 objective lenses available, you can easily choose the right lens for your application. The easy-to-use console allows you to switch between observation methods with a single click. Quickly and easily transition between simple polarization, dark field, mix, differential interference contrast, oblique, bright field, and contrast enhancement observation functions. All 6 observation methods are available at all magnifications. This feature makes finding the best image for your specific need fast and simple. Olympus is able to guarantee the accuracy and repeatability of DSX1000 digital microscopes at all magnifications following calibration by an Olympus service technician. With the flexibility and guaranteed performance of Olympus's DSX1000 digital microscope, you'll have the perfect tool for your imaging needs. For more information, contact our friends at Olympus. Lab Manager. When we talk science, we mean business.